I added salt to grapes, and now everyone at home wants to eat them this way. In a container, I'll start by adding a box of grapes. I'm using seedless green grapes. Next, I'll spread them out evenly. On top, I'll sprinkle a tablespoon of salt. Now, I'll squeeze the juice from a lemon. And add a tablespoon of sugar. Once that's done, we'll mix everything together really well. All set, folks. Now we'll pop it in the freezer until it's frozen. With the grapes frozen, it's time to enjoy. And check this out, guys. It looks amazing. I bet it's making your mouth water. I hope you liked this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks. I added salt